Hello, word listeners. Welcome back to your daily dose of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore a new word together. Today's word is disappear. What does it mean? Let's find out. Disappear is an A2 level verb, meaning to go out of sight, to vanish, or to become impossible to see. It describes something or someone ceasing to be visible. In everyday language, we use disappear to talk about things that we can no longer find or see. For example, my keys always disappear when I'm in a hurry. Now, let's look at some synonyms for disappear. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings. A good synonym for disappear is vanish. For instance, the magician made the rabbit vanish into thin air. Another synonym is fade. We can say, the sunset colors began to fade as darkness fell. A third synonym is evaporate. This is often used for liquids, but can also be used more broadly, like, my motivation seemed to evaporate as the project dragged on. Finally, let's consider dematerialize. In the science fiction movie, the alien dematerialized before their eyes. Now, let's explore antonyms. Words that have opposite meanings to disappear. The opposite of disappear is appear. For example, a rainbow appeared after the rain. Another antonym is emerge. We might say, the sun emerged from behind the clouds. A third antonym is materialize. A solution to the problem suddenly materialized. Another antonym is surface. For example, the submarine surfaced after its underwater mission. Let's see how we can use disappear in everyday life. Imagine you're talking to a friend and you can't find your phone. You might say, my phone seems to have disappeared. Have you seen it? Or if you're talking about a magic trick, you could say, the magician made the coin disappear. If you put food in the refrigerator and your brother has eaten all that food, you can say, all the cookies disappeared from the jar. Also, when you send an email and it goes to the spam folder, you can tell your friend, my email disappeared in your spam folder. Here are some usage examples of disappear in sentences and phrases. The plane disappeared from the radar. The opportunity disappeared when I hesitated. I watched the ship disappear over the horizon. My headache disappeared after I took the medicine. They made the evidence disappear before the police arrived. The problem won't just disappear if you ignore it. She wanted to disappear and start a new life. The stars disappear with the sunrise. He made a large sum of money disappear in gambling. The ink disappeared from the paper. I hope my worries will disappear soon. The crowd disappeared quickly after the concert ended at 11 p.m. The cat disappeared into the bushes. The symptoms disappeared after a week of treatment. The witnesses disappeared before the trial began. Don't let this opportunity disappear. His smile disappeared when he heard the bad news. The snow disappeared quickly in the warm sunshine. Her fears began to disappear as she gained confidence. The website disappeared from the internet. To quickly recap, disappear means to go out of sight, vanish, fade, evaporate, or dematerialize. Its antonyms include appear, emerge, materialize, and surface. We use it in everyday conversations to describe things that are no longer visible or have vanished. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful in expanding your English vocabulary. Now, I have a small favor to ask. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find our show and continue their English learning journey. Don't forget to create your own sentence using the word disappear and share it as a comment below the video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. See you next time on Hello Word.